Hello, everybody. This is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello, my friends. Today I am doing a review of the Patti LaBelle banana pudding. And they come in these little containers. Okay, so I'm trying that out for the first time today. And let me see something here. It says it's called Great Life. It is naturally and artificially flavored. For an extra treat, add fresh sliced bananas. I would think bananas would be in here already. It's 210 calories. Okay. And even with the glasses on, the writing is so small. So let me get into this taste test. I'm gonna try it. Oh, I didn't show you what it looked like open. Okay, it just has one cookie on the top, and I think it's layers of different things. So I'm with the first layer. It tastes like whipped cream. It's good. It's real sweet, y'all, though. I don't know if this is a little banana in there. That's what it tastes like. A hint of banana. This is small, but it is extra rich, y'all. It's really rich. I don't know if it's a banana pudding in the middle. It is so rich. Till this small container actually seems like it's a little too much. I love sweets. I am a diabetic. I do like sweets a lot. But this is too sweet. It's too sweet. And it's a shame because it's so creamy and so good. I wish Patti LaBelle make a version of this sugar-free, because she's a diabetic too. And I have tried many of her products. All of them are too sweet. They're good, but it's just too sweet. It's too sweet. And I love Patti LaBelle. It tastes like you took a small container of this and poured like a cup of sugar or something like that. I hope that she listens to her audience. Her products are very popular. All of them are sweet though, too sweet. The taste itself is good, but it's more cream than anything else. And it tastes like she has a little cookie on the bottom, just a little bit, and then that one cookie on top. I would have liked a little more cookie in it, and a little less cream, and a lot less sugar. See all that cream, y'all? It's so much cream that you could actually call it a cream pie. Now, it's not enough banana, or I don't know if there's banana custard or what near the bottom. But you can taste the banana taste all through the product. That's a good thing. But they're telling you to add your own bananas. And like this. When you buy a product like this, and specifically banana pudding, you want some more bananas in there. I know when we make homemade products at home, pies and different things, we do tend to put a little more sugar in it, but sometimes you can get used to putting too much sugar, and it's not a good thing. She can get a company to help her make some sugar-free products for us diabetics. And being that she's one, is hard to believe that she's making these so sweet, overly sweet. I'm almost done. I forget how much I paid for this. I don't know if it was $2 or $3. And I don't see the tag. So it was good. It had a nice taste to it. But I'm going to give you my score from 1 to 10. I'm going to give this a 7. Because you got a good thing here, but you just need to find a way to put a nice amount of bananas in there. Put a little bit more cookies in there. Cut down on the cream just a little bit. And you can put banana pudding instead of so much cream. Because the majority of the product was cream, y'all. Yeah. You can tell that she can cook and her recipes are good, but and that's a lesson to me to really cut down on my sugar intake. I mean, I can't explain it. It's like so much sugar that is almost like burning with sugar. I know that sounds silly, but and you have an aftertaste of so much sugar. So if you buy this for your family, you may want to let, the kids split a little bit, maybe for like 3 people, 3 kids. I'm not going to tell you not to try it. Try it for yourself because, a lot of people like things sweet, real sweet. So try it and let me know what you feel about it, okay? All right, guys, this is it for my review. Talk to you all later.